Hi. This week we have the Notan designs that we are creating, and this video is specifically for the people who want to create it using Photoshop. So here we go. We're going to go first over to Create New. And we're going to, of course, use our 11.5 by 11 by 8.5 and create, and there it is. All right, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our square, and we are going, I'm going to move this over so you can see it a little bit better and I can see it a little bit better, and we're going to get a square that is maybe a quarter, so we can just take it down here. Let's see if it's 8.5. Oh, 11. Half of 11 is 5.5. Is that right? Let's see. I'm so good. Not really. All right, and then we're going to fill it. Oops. We're going to fill it. I'm going to put in a blank layer. We're going to fill it with black. There we go. And then we're going to get our move tool and we're going to move it. And this time I'm just going to simply move this over to the side where I can see it. There we go. All right. Now, according to the Notan, what you'll do is, and again I'm going to use this little drag tool, and I can drag out my shape. Right? And I'm going to cut and paste, and it's on the layer above, and then I'm simply going to rotate it around. Okay, then we can slide it right up here and down. I'm going to extend this out a little bit. She said extend it out a little bit so I can see it. All right, and now I see that I'm going to need to have my paper a little bit bigger, so I'm just going to extend this and then stretch it up. Okay, then I'm going to crop it, and then I'm going to go down to my there again and get my loopy loop, and maybe I want to make some sort of twisty strange thing here. All right, and then I'm going to cut it and I'm going to paste it, and I know it's right under here. Wait, isn't it? Let's see. Where are you? Are you hiding? Let's ignore that. Oh, where did I put it? Maybe, I don't know. So I'm just going to delete that, and I'm going to go back. I know what I did. I wasn't on the right layer. So here. Okay. Cut. Paste. And then I'm going to put that. Oop, I'm going to make that seam again. But I'm going to be on that layer. On that layer. And I just need to rotate it around. And flip it over. And now rotate it. This way. No. This way. No. This way. I don't know why I'm getting all confused with that. Alright, that's the way it came out. Alright, let's get you lined up. Boop. You know what I'm just going to do? I'm going to go back to cut pick. Oh, I'm going to go back to paste. All right. And then I'm going to click on that and I'm going to go to edit, transform. Is that what I want to do? Because I've got my picture there in the way, becomes an issue. All right, so there, and then there, and then I want to flip horizontal. No. Flip vertical. Yes. All right, now I can line it up. There. Ooh. Now, I know that that's not quite the way it needs to be, so I'm gonna shilly-shally it a little closer. Oh no, I see what I need to do. There. All right. Then we go back to our solid again. And now there are other options in here. So there's a polygonal lasso, so you can go back and forth into here, there, and then cut it, and then paste it. And I'm going to I'm going to go there, and I'm going to get this one. And I'm going to move it so I can see where it is. Ooh, that's cool looking. All right. But I also need to go to Edit, Transform. And I'm going to click over here so I can see. Transform. There. And what did I say? Vertical? Yeah. All right. Now, I'm going to hit that, but then I'm going to take off the show control so I can nudge it where it needs to be. Ooh, I'm totally getting this. All right, I'm going to make it a little bit smaller so I can make this part bigger again because I want to have enough white space around it. There. Now I'm going to go back to here. I'm kind of liking this guy, so I'm going to there, there. I'm sorry about that ding ding. All right, cut, paste. All right, I'm going to turn off this. That is my thing, so I'm going to click on that. And then I am going to vertical. Let's see if that did it right. Let's see. I'm going to move it up to here. Turn that back on. Ooh, yeah, see, I can go that way, or I can take it this way. Okay. All right, so that's what you're going to continue to do. I'm going to pause this and I'm going to keep working on mine, and then you'll see my finished result. All right, here we are with our finished product. I'm going to actually, oh, here we go. I'm going to layer and then I'm going to flatten, except I can't see it over there, so I'm going to go over here, layer, flatten image. All right. Now I can actually flip it around into different directions, image rotation. I want to go counterclockwise. Let's see how that looks. Oh. All right. Uh, image rotation, horizontal. All right. And you can actually choose the direction that you wish your piece to be viewed. And um, I kind of like that. All right, then the other thing you can do is you can copy it and you can invert your black and white. So adjustments, invert. So it's black with white. Nah, I like it better this way. All right, I do kind of like it better that way. Now I'm going to play around with some stuff. Nah, I don't think that's going to work. All right. So I like it best like this. I'm going to delete that layer. File, save as. Make sure you save it as a JPEG. First initial, last name, underscore, lesson, underscore, Notan. And save it to your desktop and turn it in. That's it. Talk to you later.